Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the next organelle of eukaryotic cell, nucleus. Nucleus as a cell organelle was first described by Robert Brown as early as 1831. Later, the material of the nucleus stained by the basic dyes was given the name chromatin by Fleming. So we know that nucleus is a well organized structure present in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells only. So this nucleus, which is control of the cell, is discovered by the Robert Brown in 1831. Later on, Fleming stained the nucleus by basic dye and he found that the nucleus consists of thread-like fiber-like structure, and he called that thread-like fiber-like structure as a chromatin. So here see the diagram where you can easily observe this thread-like fiber-like structure which is called as a chromatin by Fleming. So the name chromatin to this thread-like structure was given by Fleming, and the Robert Brown discovered the nucleus. So remember this. Now the structure of interphase nucleus. The interphase nucleus has highly extended and elaborate nucleoprotein fibers called chromatin, nuclear matrix, and one or more spherical bodies called nucleoli. So what is meant by interphase nucleus? When cell is not in dividing stage, at that time the nucleus present in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell is called as a interphase nucleus. And this interphase nucleus, what it consists of? So this nucleus has highly extended elaborate nucleoprotein fibers. It have nucleoprotein fibers called as a chromatin. Second, it has a nuclear matrix. And third, nucleoli. The interphase nucleus consists of nucleoprotein fibers called chromatin, then nuclear matrix and nucleoli. So we know that nucleus consists of fiber-like thread-like structure which Fleming called as a chromatin. So these chromatin are observed only in interphase nucleus. So these chromatin are seen only in interphase nucleus. So remember this also. Then in nucleus we also observe another structure called as a nuclear matrix. So what is nuclear matrix? Nuclear matrix is nothing but the colloidal substance. Nuclear matrix is nothing but the colloidal gel-like substance present inside the nucleus. So here see the diagram where you can observe this nucleoplasm. So this part of the nucleus is called as a nucleoplasm. So this nucleoplasm is nothing but the colloidal gel-like substance present inside the nucleus, and it consists of enzymes, proteins, RNA, DNA molecule and various other inorganic compounds and water. It is also called as a karyoplasm. Nucleoplasm is also called as a karyoplasm, and is also called as a न्यूक्लियर मैट्रिक्स. जब सेल डिवाइडिंग स्टेज में नहीं होती है तो न्यूक्लियस जो प्रेजेंट होता है सेल में, तो उस न्यूक्लियस को कहते हैं इंटरफेज न्यूक्लियस. जब इंटरफेज न्यूक्लियस को हम स्टेन करते हैं और स्लाइड माइक्रोस्कोप में देखते हैं तो उस वक्त हमें न्यूक्लियस में न्यूक्लियोप्रोटीन फाइबर्स जिसे कहा जाता है क्रोमेटिन दिखते हैं. न्यूक्लियर मैट्रिक्स होता है. न्यूक्लियर मैट्रिक्स क्या है? कोलाइडल जेल लाइक सब्सटेंस है जिसमें वाटर, एंजाइम्स, प्रोटीन्स, आरएनए, डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल, इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. और न्यूक्लियस में हमें स्पेरिकल डार्क स्पेरिकल बॉडी यहाँ दिखती है फिगर में, इसे कहते हैं न्यूक्लियोलस. सो दिस न्यूक्लियोलस सिंगुलर इट इज कॉल्ड एज ए न्यूक्लियोलस, प्लूरल इट इज कॉल्ड एज ए न्यूक्लियोलाई. तो ये न्यूक्लियोलस जो है राइबोसोमल आरएनए सिंथेसिस के साइट है. यहाँ पे राइबोसोमल आरएनए की सिंथेसिस होती है, और ये जो न्यूक्लियोलस है ये आरएनए और प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल से बना हुआ होता है. सो न्यूक्लियोलस ये कंसिस्ट ऑफ आरएनए एंड प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल्स.